Hey Keenan, Tony here. We spoke earlier on Wednesday and I mentioned I wanted to send you guys over this quick video, so here it is. I just wanted to give you 3 tips to help you increase your online presence in order to help you generate new business, specifically via your website. This is something I do for small businesses and small business owners for free. The only thing I ask is if you guys find this information valuable, just reply to the email and let me know your thoughts. Any feedback would be welcome. So with that, I want to go over Google's 3 main ranking factors. That's content, citations, and backlinks. And we'll start with content, and that's just the words and images here on your homepage. Content is really the backbone or the foundation of your existence, your website's existence on the Google platform. Google really values well-written, authoritative content. The more of it, the better. We suggest having 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And let me start out by saying here, your site's not bad. The layout is okay, but definitely is coming up short on the total word count. When I copy and paste here, you see 272 words. So that's going to really put a damper on how well you rank in Google. The other side of it is these keywords. Keywords are the way that people search for certain services. So this one right here gets searched about 300 times in Jacksonville. And there's a bunch of variations of this. So the less content you have on your site, the harder it is to get all of those various keywords on here so that you're even being found for it when somebody searches for them, if that makes sense. So let's look here. The first roofer that shows up when I do this search is Prime Roofing. So let's compare to them a little bit. I'm going to take their word count. And so you've got 272, they've got almost 700. So they're almost halfway to getting to that 1,500 number. So you get to 1,500, you're more than doubling them up. So that would be easy to beat them out in this ranking factor, and that's a positive side, positive thing. So that's content. Let's move on. So after doing this search at the top here, we get the Google paid ads. We're not really going to talk about those today. This area below here, though, I do want to talk about. This is super important. It's called the map pack. About 50% of the search volume that comes through here is going to call or click on one of these 3 listings, if not more than one. So it's super important that you're here, or else you're going to miss out on a lot of traffic. Now, the question is, how do you get here? And that's through something called a citation. And all a citation is your company name, address, and phone number out on directory sites around the web, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Thumbtack, Angie's List, Facebook, even LinkedIn. Get your company added to 10 to 15 of those kind of sites a week, and over time your Google business listing is going to start raising in the ranks here, which is what you want. And just be careful when you're putting your info in those directories that you're consistent across the board on how you input it. Consistency is key. So the area below here, this is called the organic listings, and these are more affected by something called a backlink. And all that is your company website URL in a clickable format out on another website. And when I mean clickable, I mean, you hover over it and it gives you the finger, you can click it. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you get backlinks from trusted websites. And on top of that, if you can get backlinks from sites that are relevant to your niche, in your case, another roofer's website maybe, or say a home improvement website that has a blog on it. A pro tip to get good backlinks is find a blogger that does like home improvement. Give them 1,000 words on your trade, a roofing article. Oftentimes they'll trade you a backlink for that content because they want to keep their blogs active. So hopefully that helps. So that's the 3 major ranking factors. I'm going to take this URL from Prime Roofing and put it over here into this tool called Ahrefs. This gives us some statistics on their website. And if you look here, this is the backlink count. So they've got 643 backlinks. They're being found for about 3,700 keywords, and that's getting them about 1,600 clicks a month. I'm going to drill into these keywords, and we're going to look at the first one here, roofing, Jacksonville, FL. That's what I searched. 300 searches, they're in position 1. This says they're getting 78 clicks a month for that. So that's one keyword. Say that they close 10% of those 78 clicks. That's essentially 8 new roofs or roof repairs a month for one single keyword that they're ranking for. There's a ton. Jacksonville's big. There's a ton of other keywords out there like that. So I don't know what that would do for your company to get 8 more leads essentially for free. But somebody out there would be happy about it. let's go ahead and compare that to your website. You guys have about 38 of those backlinks being found for 27 keywords. That's getting you about 7 clicks. So let's see what kind of keywords you're being found for. Eco store, eco restore, that's essentially your company name. Restore Jacksonville, Florida. Roof leak repair, Jacksonville, Florida. 20 searches, but you're on page 5. Roofers in Jacksonville, 70 searches. You're on page 6. So all of these, the problem is you're getting some of these keywords, but you're way out on 6, 7, 8, and even page 9 as we go down. So the keywords you're being found for, I'm not seeing the big boy keywords, so you're definitely missing some. And then on top of that, the stuff you are ranking for, you're not ranking high enough, and that's specifically because your backlinks you don't have enough of them, and the ones you do have aren't strong enough to push you up the ranks for those keywords you are being found for. So I would say get up to 1,500 words on your homepage. You can get a week's free trial of this tool. Put Prime Roofing in here and go scroll through all of the things they're ranking for. Find more of those keywords. Those Jacksonville, I think there's Jacksonville roofers, 250 searches. So niche, these are niche city. These are the kind of keywords you want to be found for. They're called buyer intent keywords. So you want to get those on your homepage. And once you get your homepage with the right keywords, you start finding some backlink opportunities to help you get ranking. So hopefully that was useful. Again, if it was, I do welcome any feedback. Just reply to the email. Let me know what you thought. Hopefully I gave you some tools to help yourself. But obviously this is what I do for a living. So if you guys aren't inclined to do this on your own, I'd be more than happy to chat and see if I could be helpful. So yeah, with that, Keenan, if there's somebody else in the company that would benefit from seeing this, please feel free to pass it on. I'd love for them to watch it as well. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. You have a great one.